Are you dreaming of a record-breaking Black Friday sale this holiday season? Well, stop the guesswork and the endless tweaking. Master the art of writing Facebook ads that resonate with every potential buyer out there, whether they've just heard of your product or they're ready with their credit cards out. There's a way to grab their attention. Stay tuned as I unfold the secrets to skyrocketing your sales with the right ad copy for your Black Friday and holiday season ads. Your $1 billion Black Friday Facebook ad tutorial starts right now. If you're looking to make your e-commerce or Shopify store a huge hit this Black Friday, you're in the right spot. I'm just like you. I've got a long history of being a Facebook media buyer who's been through the ups and downs of all online advertising. And today I'm here to share what I've learned so you can sail smoothly through the advertising storms ahead and hit the shores of success this festive season. But let's face it, it's not always smooth sailing. There's fears of ads that don't hit the mark, wasted budgets, and a quiet, unresponsive audience. But here's the good news. Understanding our customers' awareness levels can be our guiding star. So imagine this, you've got a bunch of different creatives and they just don't seem to catch the eye of your potential customers. Why? Because the message in the ad doesn't match where the viewer's at in their shopping journey. It's like trying to sell ice to somebody who's in the Arctic. The e-commerce world is an incredibly busy market. Shopify stores, Amazon stores. There's customers at all different stages. Some are just window shopping, others have a clear list of what they want, and some know they need something, but they're not quite sure what it is. These are our most aware, product aware, and solution aware customers. The most aware customers know exactly what they want. The product aware customers, they're intrigued by what you offer, but they need a little nudge. And the solution aware customers are looking for something to solve a problem, but don't know yet whether your product is the right solution for them. Our challenge is to create messages that speak to each one of these customers, guiding them closer to making a purchase and boosting our sales. But if we get the message wrong, it's like speaking a different language to them. Our ads go unnoticed, carts remain empty, and our sales targets become distant dreams. The stakes are high, but the rewards are even higher. By understanding where our customers are at and tailoring our messaging accordingly, we turn our ads from mere whispers in a crowded market to clear, inviting calls that lead customers right to our e-commerce store. Today, I'm diving into the secrets of crafting ad copy that resonates with each type of customer, unlocking the doors to successful Black Friday and holiday season sale. The magic lies in the right ad copy tailored to the awareness level of our customers. So let's embark on this journey to mastering advertising in the e-commerce realm where the right message finds the right ear and our store buzzes with the exciting hum of booming sales. Grab your notepad and let's get started on this path to achieving amazing sales this Black Friday season. All right, so navigating the realm of e-commerce successfully hinges on speaking the language of your customers based on their awareness level. So let's delve into the specifics using our fictional brand, Keto Donuts, that's set on sweetening the deal for fitness enthusiasts with a tempting offer this festive season. Their deal: buy 2 dozen and get a second 2 dozen for free, or snag 4 dozen at 50% off. It's a delightful offer, but how do we present it to our different segments? Let's jump in with our most aware segment. These customers are our loyal patrons. They're acquainted with Keto Donuts and are just waiting for a reason to indulge. So I'm gonna start with the ad copy here. Black Friday just got sweeter at Keto Donuts. Your favorite low-cal, sugar-free delights are now in a buy 2, get 2 offer. That's right, buy 2 dozen donuts and get another 2 dozen donuts free. Rush to our online store and double your treat, not your calories. With a headline that reads something like, double your donuts, double the delight. You're probably wondering, where should we send these people? We send them to a landing page, to a PDP, to a special offer page. Well, in this particular scenario, when the person is most aware, they don't need a ton of extra information. So we're gonna push them to a direct offer where they can purchase. So this page should be focused on the special offer, specifically buy 2 dozen, get a second 2 dozen free, or something like 4 dozen, 50% off. It's gonna have a clear call to action like grab this deal now. Because sometimes people still need a bit of a nudge. We're gonna wanna make sure that we include some reviews or testimonials to reinforce the decision. And there should be a clear, easy navigation to complete the purchase. The ad copy directly mentions the brand and the offer. It's reinforcing the low-calorie, sugar-free benefits that resonate with the brand's value proposition. It's designed to trigger an immediate purchase from customers who already love keto donuts. The next segment, and these people are gonna be the second most aware in terms of the full customer journey. These customers know about low-calorie donuts and they're interested, but they need a nudge to choose keto donuts over other similar products. So for the ad copy on this one, ever wish donuts could be guilt-free? Keto Donuts makes it possible. Our Black Friday sale is rolling with a bang. Buy 2 dozen, get another 2 dozen free, or grab 4 dozen at half the price. Dive into a world where taste meets health. Hurry, your sugar-free indulgence awaits. In terms of a headline, the headline would be guilt-free indulgence awaits this Black Friday. And you're probably wondering, okay, well, where do I send these people? Do I send them to the same page as the other guys, or am I sending them to a landing page, PDP? The landing page focus here is gonna be on product benefits and the offer. So we wanna highlight the benefits of keto donuts like low calorie, sugar-free, etc., alongside the special offer, because they are not hyper aware of our particular product. So we're gonna showcase some popular donut varieties with enticing images, and we're gonna include a call to action like explore the offer or discover healthy indulgence. We'll also, have the same thing as the other one where we have customer testimonials or ratings that can also continue to build trust. This ad works because it introduces keto donuts in the context of a solution to the customer's desire for guilt-free donuts. The offer is presented as an invitation to experience the brand. It provides a strong incentive to choose keto donuts over other potentially delicious, health-conscious donuts that they might have seen in the past. And the final segment that we want to talk about here when we're creating creatives for Facebook during a sale period like Black Friday is the solution-aware segment. These customers aspire to maintain a fit lifestyle and are on the lookout for healthier alternatives, but might not know about keto donuts or low-calorie donuts at all. So this is what the ad copy is going to look like. Craving a sweet indulgence that aligns with your fitness goals? Discover Keto Donuts. Our donuts are not just sweet, but also low-cal and sugar-free. And here's a sweet Black Friday deal. Buy 2 dozen and get another 2 dozen free. Or enjoy 4 dozen at a 50% discount. It's time to treat yourself to a healthier, sweet delight. And with the headline, meet your sweet spot, minus the sugar. Where do we send these guys? So the landing page focus for this audience is education and solution presentation. We want to educate the visitors about the healthier alternative that Keto Donuts offers. We want to explain how they can enjoy sweet treats without compromising their fitness goals. We want to introduce the special offer as a great opportunity to try keto donuts. A call to action like learn more or try now with this special offer could work well. And we're going to incorporate social proof like testimonials, before and after pictures if we have them. Why this works is this ad copy introduces keto donuts as a solution to the customer's dilemma of satisfying sweet cravings without compromising their fitness goals. It gently leads them from identifying their need to presenting keto donuts as the solution, topped with a tempting offer to make the deal irresistible. In crafting these types of ad copy, we're not just throwing a sales pitch, but we're communicating value in a manner that resonates with the awareness and interest levels of different customer segments. For the most aware, it's about instant gratification. For the product aware, it's about making a smarter choice. And for the solution aware, it's about unveiling a solution to their sweet cravings without breaking their fitness resolve. Each word is a bridge, leading them from awareness to action, from contemplation to conversion. Your e-com success this Black Friday season lies in crafting these bridges thoughtfully, ensuring that your customers find value, satisfaction, and a sweet deal in every interaction with your brand or Keto Donuts. All right, you're now equipped with the insights to tailor your Facebook ads for different customer awareness levels and boost your sales this Black Friday and holiday season. But hey, it's just the tip of the iceberg. Dive deeper into mastering the art of aligning your advertising strategy with customer awareness in my next video. It's packed with more examples, actionable tips, and a step-by-step guide to refining your Facebook advertising approach. Click right here to make this enlightening journey and take a giant leap towards making your next sales season the most profitable one yet. See you in the next video.